In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make SORA 2 videos for free. Comet on Grand Canyon video guide. First, open your web browser and head to Google. This gives us a clean starting point, and it's the quickest way to land on the right page without memorizing any links. Once Google loads, click into the search bar and type the word SORA, then press enter. You should see the official SORA site show up near the top. Look for the trusted result and click through to open the SORA Explore page. When the SORA page loads, you'll notice a simple interface designed for creating AI-generated videos. Find the plus sign icon on the screen. That's your upload button. Click it to upload a photo. Choose any image you want to use as a reference or inspiration. For this project, a scenic landscape photo can help set the tone, but you can use any image that complements your idea. Uploading a photo is optional in many tools, but here it serves as a strong visual cue to guide the composition and colors. Next, look for the prompt box. This is where you tell SORA exactly what to create. Type the following prompt clearly and exactly as written. A dramatic sunset scene where a fiery blue comet tears across the sky, slams into the Grand Canyon, and blasts the landscape with glowing shockwaves as stunned tourists watch in awe. This prompt already includes subject, action, setting, mood, which is ideal. If you're new to prompting, think of it like directing a scene. Describe what you want to happen, where it happens, and how it should feel. Keeping the language vivid and specific helps SORA produce a cinematic result. Once your prompt is in, click Submit. SORA will start processing your request and generate a video based on your upload and description. This may take a little time, depending on your connection and system load, so be patient. When the video appears, press play to review the motion, lighting, and overall mood. If you'd like a different vibe, you can repeat these same steps with slight tweaks to the wording, adjusting the time of day, the intensity of the comet, or the reaction of the crowd, while keeping the process identical. And that's all you need to make a SORA 2 video for free, featuring a comet over the Grand Canyon. Open Google, search SORA, go to the official site, upload a photo, paste the prompt, and submit. Enjoy creating and have fun exploring more scenes with your own ideas.